Welcome back to the channel, everyone, for some more gameplay highlights at Warped Ops. Really fun day this day.
Go, go, go!
Feel really bad watching that back. Poor guy started the day not too well. I just carried him running, which wasn't great in this capture the trenches game, but some of the Reaper guys helped him out. So as you can see, I got into the trenches pretty quick, pushed slowly forward to get to the flag, which is there.
It's like literally my tail right here. Let's try it. There's one in my bottom pocket here.
So I've been using a lot of these Thunder V grenades recently, especially in this game type. I find it stops them from pushing up a lot. If you're putting a couple of grenades in every 5-10 minutes, they are not pushing forward as much.
Yeah, I got another one. Oh yeah, I did? Cool. Okay. Yeah, I keep hearing I can't see them from here. Oh yeah. There's one down.
Left. Come on, red team. I know you can do it. Get in there.
So 6 minutes left. We actually were holding their advance a lot here. They were pushing really hard, as you can see. But I feel like whoever gets to the flag first in trenches and whoever communicates the best can really hold this for the whole game if they're keeping the attention.
Hit!
It's me getting hit in the head. Pushing back towards the trenches. It's a bit emotional watching this. This is now me recording this about a week after all of my gear was stolen, so everything you see in this video is now in someone else's hands, which is really emotional for me because it took me a lot of time and effort to get everything together.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Play, boys!
So that was a good start to the day. Next game's up. This one is attack and defend the city. So we had unlimited lives. The other team have 1 life, and our job is to, within a time limit, take over the city.
Right on the right side of that red container.
I really loved this gun. Teched and built for me by Team Reaper and Augie, who is one of the team leaders there. Recoil shock, redid all the internals, upgraded everything. It was firing like an absolute dream.
Nice.
Probably the world's slowest reload, you just saw that.
Oh. Back right corner of the mosque as well. Come on. Gun hit.
We get a bit stuck on that bus there, trying to push forward and get to the first building. And they were doing a great job of keeping our heads down.
Whoa, incoming. Okay, nice. I got the guy in the mosque.
Come with me. Let's go.
Okay, yeah. Okay, 3,
Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's the life of it.
That looked painful. Good slide though.
Got him. Got him.
So I think we failed that one. Didn't get far enough into the city there.
Go. Oh, that was sick.
This is round 2. using the tank as cover.
Hit.
So actually there I was going towards the ref. There was a player I think who hadn't played at this site before, and they don't allow you to use murder holes. So that's small holes in the cover which is smaller than your head. So if you're kind of firing through those, and that's kind of not allowed. I don't think the guy was doing it purposefully, but I just let the ref know so he could kind of announce it. You can see the murder hole there that he was shooting through.
Yes, Sugi's inside, we're clear.
Okay, cool.
Badger, you have any eyes on Morton?
Yeah.
Really clear on the inside? Yes, Sugi inside. Taking fire from the building, Sugi.
Jump. Okay, guy at the back.
Yeah, he had us pinned down for a while there.
Yeah, he's gonna pop out over here now.
3, 2, 1, go.
He's obviously fallen back. Trying to clear through here with my pistol. Okay, this one's actually defend a barrel. So there's almost a barrel there, and they have to get like a bomb into it, which is normally just a tennis ball. So we have 2 guys to revive us.
There's still one more right there.
Medics, as it were, for a period of the game, and then after that we're like reduced just to 1 life. There's no respawn, only medics.
They're running, they're running. There's one that just ran into that swamp, the swamp drain. Just be careful.
This was a good day because both teams were kind of equal there. I was getting a grenade ready for when they get to the barrel, make the run. Unfortunately, I was taken out there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been awesome to show you guys some of the gameplay. Hopefully I get back on my feet and start playing soon.